Sleek and slick do the trick in the Wildwood FSX. Hey, if you like RVs, you like camping, please click like, subscribe, and notify. And by the way, thanks for doing it. Let's step inside a Wildwood FSX. Looking down, you're gonna see some pretty slick flooring. Slick and thick, FYI. That is extra thick luxury vinyl flooring to take a campground beating, so to speak. And there's no carpet anywhere. Going from down to up, you'll see the 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC, a nice big blower for a smaller camper. It'll keep you cool in the summer, but you may want to create a nice cross breeze via opening the largest in class panoramic windows. If you need heat, well, close the windows and use the 20,000 BTU furnace. Some Wildwood FSX models will also come with a nifty fireplace with a 5,000 BTU heater. For the Wildwood FSX kitchen, you have some great goodies, including a seamless countertop. You get a residential high-rise faucet, 2-burner cooktop with glass cover, microwave, and a humongous, for a smaller camper, 11 cubic foot frost-free fridge. The bathroom in the Wildwood FSX has a shower surround with this unique retractable shower door. And on most models, you get a mirrored vanity with medicine cabinet is also available. Now, do you love entertainment as much as I do? Because I gotta take my sound when I go camping. And the Wildwood FSX adds on to that by just giving you this awesome little beauty right here. It is a waterproof, portable, FM Bluetooth speaker system. You can keep it inside, take it outside, throw it in your backpack when you go hiking. Love the versatility. You'll also get 4 to 6 tablet compatible USB ports depending upon model, an omnidirectional digital TV antenna, and a dedicated cable TV hookup. That hookup just happens to be outside, so why don't we head out there? First thing you're going to notice, power awning with adjustable legs and LED light strip. You're also going to get large exterior baggage doors, a hot and cold shower to help keep your Wildwood FSX interior a tad cleaner because you're cleaning yourself outside. Don't track in the dirt. And most will have a full-size spare tire. All will come backup camera ready and have the super convenient black tank flush. For extra power, Solar Prep is here with roof and side-mounted solar inlets. As for the Wildwood FSX toy haulers, well, for those, you're going to get more features, such as 84 inches of interior height, so you can easily get your toys into the garage. 1,500-pound tie downs to keep your toys secure. Floor structure that's 50% thicker to handle heavier loads. 15,000 BTU AC, 50 amp service, convection oven, and a patio kit. Oh, there's more. Go check this one out. Check out some Wildwood FSX options. First, there's the Platinum package. That's the one where you get the smooth-sided fiberglass exterior walls. You can opt for a power tongue jack to make life a little bit easier for when you want to tow or get set up at camping. You can add a solid entry step with triple stairs if you desire. And then there's the extended power package. This is one I highly recommend because if you like to boondock, you get a roof-mounted 200-watt solar panel, 20-amp controller, and battery. Gotta have it. Before digging into some floor plans, let's take a look at Wildwood FSX construction. Wildwood FSX models are built on a cambered chassis, have fiberglass insulation throughout, and 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking. The roof, it's a Superflex one-piece roof, so there's no seams for water to get through. Underneath the chassis, you'll find an enclosed underbelly to keep out critters and the elements. These panels are removable, and Forest River likes to call it the accessibelly. A vast majority of Wildwood FSX models will fall under 5,000 pounds unloaded and in the low 20s for length. Let's check out some designed for the camping couple. The 163 RDSK, or as I like to call it, the work from the road model, as you get a mobile workstation on the rear wall. That thing is awesome. You'll also get a nifty slide out with theater seats. The bathroom separates the living area from The bedroom, very nice pass-through, and the 163 RDSK can sleep too. The 167 BK is a rear bath layout with an impressive wardrobe closet in the bathroom. Up front, you'll find a Murphy bed, and outside, a beverage fridge. For sleepers, you can get 3. For the camping family, you have a few to choose from. The 178 BHSK comes with double beds, a large U-shaped dinette, and the versatile Murphy bed. Ergo, you can sleep up to 8 on this one, which is impressive. The 178 BHSK also has that outside kitchen. The 179 DBK is a slideless FSX, but has the capacity to sleep up to 7 via the double beds, easy to convert Murphy bed, and the convertible dinette. The 179 DBK tacks on an outside kitchen too. There's a healthy amount of Wildwood FSX toy hauler models. They are heavier, so make sure you know your vehicle's towing capacity. What do you say we check out the popular 32-foot 270 RTK? This open floor plan garage has 14 feet to store your toys. You'll get the ability to sleep up to 4 via the garage sofa sleepers and the queen bed found in the primary bedroom. The 270 RTK also comes with an outside kitchen with a griddle and beverage fridge. Lightweight and fun is the Wildwood FSX. You can find yours at rv.campingworld.com.